What's up, YouTube? Welcome to another unboxing here at Armed in Michigan. Again, we're here at the Highland location. We got another Glock for you. It seems the last 2 years Glock has come out, well, not really come out, but reintroduced a lot of models to the American market. Today we have one of those, which is the Glock 25. It's been around for a while, however, not quite in the American market, so they decided to bring it over. Your usual Glock box, 2 mags, one in the firearm, one outside, cleaning kit, of course, and your firearm lock. Clear. Drop the mag. So you do get two, what's that, 15 rounders. Uses kind of the Glock 19's shape and silhouette there. Is the Gen 3 hand grip. Glock 25, of course, is in 380. Same footprints as the Glock 19 again. Usual Glock sights, Glock trigger. If you guys are interested in this and any other Glocks we might have, swing on by here at Armed in Michigan Highland or stop by our Westline store. Thanks for joining this episode. See you guys in the next one.